So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from CSG, another important company. So if you are the freshers or have some experience and looking for the job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity, that is from the CSG career. They are hiring for the role of technical support, and this is a full-time role. So we will basically provide level 2 support to customers, and these are the requirements and all those stuff. You can go through it. Okay, so what are the skills they are demanding? You should have basic bug fixing skill, like in scripting language like Unix, Python, C, C++, subject matter expert, and you should have basic knowledge of telecommunication environment. Simply you should have knowledge of networking, all those, and you will get a good competitive package for this role. Next important opportunity, that is from the Kone. They are hiring for the role of junior engineer, technical services. Okay, friends, I will suggest make sure to apply or keep applying off campus drive. Okay, don't completely depend on your college, because you know the current situations of all of you, especially tier 3 college, I must saying. So keep applying for off campus drive. Okay, so for this job location is Coimbatore, and this is a full-time role, and this will responsibility will responsible for safe bugging bug practices, for solving complex and technical issues, for performing first visit of new parent company, and you can just go through complete job link in the description. This is a wonderful opportunity. If you want, you can apply. Next important opportunity, so Infosys, which I already provided updates. So they have announced this is the biggest hiring for 2024-2025, and you can get salary up to 21 LPA. So we already provided detailed video in this. So if you want to apply, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So round 1 will be online assessment, and round 2 will be in-person assessment plus interview, 3 hours each. Okay, so just you have to fill all this form by giving all the detail, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this, and share the job link with your description. Friends, if you have been selected for the TCS interview, as you know, the TCS interview result has been TCS result has been out, and many of the candidates selected for the interview. So if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule. We will provide you complete guidance and the feedback, which will basically help you to increase the chances in your TCS selection. So if you want to be selected and want the mock interview, remember friends, either you want to give the mock interview to us or to anyone, must give mock interview, especially those candidates who haven't given any interview earlier, because you don't know what is your weakness and what is your strength and where you are lagging. So if you want those support, then you can just fill the form. Next important with me from the Miratech. So they are having for the 2 different locations. First is from the Bangalore locations, and second is for Chennai or Tamil Nadu location. So if you want to work with them, that is for the role of junior DevOps engineer. So if you have knowledge of DevOps, or if you have interest in CI/CD pipeline and all those things, then this is a wonderful opportunity. But for that, you should have in 2024 pass out, can apply for this. They are requiring the 2+ year of experience in platform engineer. Okay, so actually many candidates were requesting that please post some important job date for experience too. That's why I'm sharing some important. Okay, but most of the video will focus on freshers hiring. Next important opportunity, that is for the role of summer research internship program 2026 GSVTM. So this is a research internship program, and friends, lots of internship is going on. Okay, especially from IITs, NITs, triple ITs. So we already provided lots of video related to that on our YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe us. You can say these are the NIT Hamipur, IIT Delhi, NIT, and other basically have announced the internship. So make sure to apply, and you will sure to get the selection for the internship. Okay. Next opportunity from the omnicore digital solutions. So they are hiring the freshers for the role of QA, that is the quality analyst, and this is work from office Pune. So if you want to work with them, then you can apply for this. So compensation, you will get 15,000 per month for the first year with performance based on increment thereafter. So yeah, they are providing very less amount. You know, Pune is very costly city. I don't know what is going on with this company. Just 15,000, I think around 8 to 9,000 will be cost. Means that will be just cost of living. So what will the saving and how they can do what? Yeah, if you are interested at this job profile or this basically package, then you can apply. Okay, even I can't say package. So next important opportunity, that is from the wheeley. They are hiring for the role of SDE, software development engineer interns, and there is a strong chance of getting the PPO from this, and job location will be in Gurgaon. So if you are from 2026, 2027 or 2025 pass out, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can apply for this. So for just applying, you have to just click this link, and you have to basically just apply with all the details. Okay, so these are the backend developer role, and you have to give just candidate's name and all those things. So make sure to apply with updated resume, because this will only increase your chances. So I hope video informative to you. Last important opportunity, that is from the manual testing intern. So if you are interested in testing role, and then you can just basically go and apply for them. Okay, so for that you should have iOS and Android knowledge and all those things. So hope informative to you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.